I did a Valentine's Day makeup look because we're doing a Valentine's Day crafts with toddlers video. I'm here with Chloe and we met up with a friend. Hi! Good morning guys. So please forgive my voice, but I've had a cold for the last couple days. I got better yesterday, but my voice is still completely gone, which is bad because today I have a really exciting day planned. I'm meeting Allie from the YouTube channel Wonderfully Allie. She is such a sweet girl and I love her channel. Hers is one of my favorite channels ever, so I'll have her link down below. But she is a flight attendant and she has a layover in Portland today, so we're gonna go get lunch together. I need to go do my hair and makeup because I'm going to be filming a video with the kids today. I'm sorry my voice sounds so bad. Anyways, we're filming 3 toddler crafts for Valentine's Day, which I'm really excited to show you guys the video. It's going to be really fun. Just past 8, it's 8:03. Daniel's getting ready to head out the door. Marcus has already eaten. I need to eat still, but Chloe's here eating her lunch. And I cannot tell you how much I love that her hair is long enough to fix now. So the last couple days I've been having so much fun with it. But she's just having some cereal and I'm gonna get her a sippy cup of milk. She and Marcus really love these peanut butter, well these are like peanut butter and chocolate. I'll show you the box. So okay, so these are the Panda Puffs that I always get at Trader Joe's, but Daniel got them from Winco this time. And he said they have a huge variety of them, and so he got Leap and Lemurs is the other one with chocolate and peanut butter. Those are just peanut butter corn puffs, and they're organic. They're really good for you. This is not sponsored, by the way. The kids just love these. Oh, and there's Daniel getting ready for work, creeping me. You always creep in my videos. I noticed after I filmed them that he's lurking in the background somewhere watching me talk.
Can you say hi? Can you wave hi? Yeah.
So Koki has a new thing she's doing. She bows her head when we tell her to pray, but also she knows she's cute. She has the cutest smile afterwards. So.
Can you pray?
Oh, so cute! Look at that smile. You know you're cute, huh? There it is. You're so cute, Chloe. Oh, what happened here? Why did you dump over your bowl of cereal? Here, just finish your cereals, okay? Anyways, they really love this cereal and I like it because it's organic and it has really low amount of sugar, either 7 or 8 grams depending on the box. So Marky is learning his shapes on a learning app and Koki is reading some books, and I am just gonna go and clean up this mess. And just FYI, I still have a link to get a free gift from Grove for first-time customers. Again, sorry about my voice, but this is a great deal if you are a new customer to Grove. So I'll have that link down below because they have a really awesome free gift. And if you want to know more about it, I have a video also linked where I explained a little more. I don't want to get into it too much in this video. I just want to make sure that you guys know about it. I can't talk. So Marky's one of Marcus's favorite things to do is to feed Pop our treats. So we have 2 left. No, Coco, no.
Pop.
That's for Pop. No. Okay, let's go feed it to Pop, Marky. Coco, that's dog food. Now you have to call Pop. Say Pop. Pop, where are you? There he is. There he is. We'll come outside and play with you in a little bit, okay, Pup? Say bye-bye, Pup.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I thought Marcus had thrown both dog biscuits out to Pup, but he didn't. While I was talking, he was eating these dog biscuits. That's so gross. But it's Trader Joe's, so maybe it's healthier. I don't know. And she really wants one. I'm gonna get her a snack because... What's wrong? Can you find it? So Chloe's in there trying to nap. And Marky is playing this so I can actually go get my makeup done. But he's really good at matching them. Marcus, can you find a match? Oh, you already found one. Good job. Good job. Oh, he wants me to hold his hand. Oh, okay, so you found one? Okay. I did it once. I helped him look for it. And now he holds his hand out like this every time. So I'll help him. So we just go over all of the cards until we find a match. And he's not looking because we just messed. Oh, there it is. You found it. Good job, honey. Okay, so my hair and makeup is done. Marky's been hanging out with Grandma in the kitchen. I just got to do all this. I'm about to go film the craft video with Marcus, and I did a Valentine's Day makeup look because we're doing a Valentine's Day crafts with toddlers video, and it's gonna be so fun. So you guys need to keep an eye out for it. Marcus, we already did one craft yesterday and he just loved it so much. Both of them did. Anyways, I always get questions about my makeup to do makeup tutorials, but those only a few of you guys ever watch them. So I wanted to just quickly show you guys what I'm using in this video. So this is what my eyeshadow looks like, and the way I got it to look really metallic and pink is I wet my brushes a little bit before doing it. And I think that there's no other palette that looks more Valentine-y than the Naked 3. And so I just have this one. I don't even know the names. I have this one, Burnout or Blowout. I can't read it. But it's just this light pink right here on the lid. And then all over like the outer corner and the crease area and a little bit up. I have this color called Buzz, and then just a little bit into the crease area. I can't remember. I think I used this one. I think it's called Liar, but it's just this warmer bronze color. And then on my cheeks, I have the Tarte Blush Color in Exposed. I always use this one because it's really natural, and it's just a really pretty color. And then on my lips, I'm going to put this Urban Decay lipstick in the color Obsessed. And it's just one of their sheer lipsticks. They've like reformulated and repackaged this one before I got it, like just before I got it. But I really like how creamy and moisturizing these are. So that's what I'm doing on my lips. And then the eyeliner that I'm using is the Tarte Precision Longwear Eyeliner. And I really like this one. So that is all I did to my makeup. And now we are going to go do our crafts. Wow! Yeah. What's that? So we have some yarn.
Happy.
And then some scissors. Okay, so what we want to do is measure. Marcus, does that look long enough? Yeah? Look through here. Here, let me help you. Okay, talk to the camera.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Now walk around. Say hi.
Hi. But
show them your toys. So you have to hold it like this and say hi.
Hi.
Come see my toys. And you go show your toys, okay?
Okay. Whoa.
Okay, now show your toys. Tell them what it is. Is that your toys?
Me.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Okay, that's good. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so I have got Chloe in the back seat. She's up from her nap now. Marky is staying here with Grandma. It just worked out that she didn't have to work today, so I'm really excited to not have two kids to like wrestle while we're eating lunch. And yeah, now I'm on my way to go meet Allie. It's gonna be super fun. I'm so excited. I'm here at a restaurant that I've never been to called Hatch and Hooves. which is, I think it's like a German fast food place, and it's really good looking. I'm here with Chloe, and we met up with a friend.
Hi.
This is Allie. I told them you're a flight attendant,
yes.
But do you want to say what else you do?
Yeah, so I'm here on a layover, and I never get Portland layovers, so I thought it would be cool to meet up with Justine finally, because I've been following her for like, what, 2 years?
Something like
2 years,
that, yeah.
2017 is when I started following you.
Yeah, and we got in the car together. I was like, I feel like I already know you.
I know. I'm like telling her about videos when she used to clean her house back in her old house.
It's funny. I'm like, I think I know it, but that's really old.
It's almost stalker.
Okay, anyways, we need to get eating before this little girl eats everything. Anyways, Chloe, can you try? Good girl, so sweet. Anyways, we're gonna eat, but it's been super fun meeting Allie. I'm so excited to be with you.
Oh, I know, finally we make it happen.
It looks really good.
Chloe, pray.
And Koki's stealing the show.
And I just got a buffalo. It said, the description said that it was like buffalo wings and a sandwich.
I like how we both have our cameras out. And we have the same camera. That face, that face. Well, I think lunch was a success.
Yes, I inhaled this.
So good. So I left my phone in the car, and I wanted to update you guys. Allie is still here. She has a delayed flight for another 2 hours. So we're at Dutch Bros again, of course.
Yes.
I just have water with Coco. But we're just gonna hang out for a little bit longer before she has to fly home. And Coco's just being the cutest. Yeah. Sweet girl. And I think she loves Allie too.
Yes, I love her little faces.
You're gonna have to come back and visit us again, you know.
I'm going to bid for Portland layovers for sure.
Okay, cool.
Not that I'll get them, but I'll try.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Say bye. Bye. So we are finally back. It's about 5 o'clock and it's getting dark outside, so I'm thinking I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Marcus and Chloe are just having a little snack of dates. Oh no, you didn't. Did you drop your bowl?
Yeah.
Well, apparently he doesn't need that. Anyways, here's Chloe.
Bye-bye.
And Chloe, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Chloe, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job. So anyways, while they're eating their snacky, I'm just gonna wrap up this video. I had so much fun meeting Allie. She is such a sweet girl. She's exactly the same person that she is on her channel. If you guys don't already follow her, you need to. She's just such a sweet, encouraging person, and I love her mommy content. I love her flight attendant content on YouTube, and she's a Christian girl who just loves the Lord, and that just radiates in her, and I can tell that she's just a really genuine person. So Allie, thank you so much for taking the time to meet with me. I'm so happy that you had a layover in Portland. If you ever do again, we need to hang out again. That was just so much fun. I was kind of nervous going into it, but as soon as we got in the car together, it was like we already knew each other, and it was so awesome. So thanks, Allie, for meeting with me. Everyone else, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and that you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked it and what you'd like to see more of down in the comments below, and give this video a like. And yeah, I'll see you all in the very next video. Bye guys.